coffee with the Mighty Miracleman time. Today, I wanted to say thank you to On Passive, that all-in-one platform I discussed yesterday, because it has given me 1,000 plus subscribers, and I hope you all enjoy my future content, as well as check out my past content. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years. Or should I say, let's add life to our years. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up to get notified about future videos. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you next to it, it has the bell. Go ahead and hit that and make sure it's set to all, non-personalized or none. Well, you can do personalized or none if you want, but you probably won't get notified when I upload new videos or go live. So better safe and check all. I love you. I also wanted to tell everyone who commented yesterday, I'm going to get to your comments. I'm trying to respond to each one, but please give me time.